Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to prove 1 is equal to 2. That's suspicious, right? Of course. What will happen in this world if it is proven that 1 is equal to 2? For example, if you had one exam, you need to prepare for two exams. On the other hand, if you want to go 1 mile away, you need to go 2 miles away. That would be much more hazardous, right? Thanks God, it is not true. But doing some mistakes in the math, we can prove that 1 is equal to 2. How can we prove that? Let's see. So let's assume that x is equal to y. These are two variables that we are multiplying both sides with y. And we all know that in an equation, we can multiply both sides with a given term or a given number. So we are multiplying this with y. Okay. Now we are subtracting both sides with uh, x squared. So previous left hand side was xy. Now left hand side becomes xy minus x squared, and right hand side becomes y square minus x square because we are subtracting same number from both of the sides. Now we are taking common, x is common, that's why y minus x is equal to, and this is a square minus b square formula, that means a plus b into a minus b. So y square minus x square becomes y plus x multiplied by y minus x. Now what will happen? Just uh, reduce this y minus x and y minus x and cut it from both of the sides, and it becomes x is equal to x plus y, right? Okay. And we all know that we assume that x is equal to y. So we can place x in the place of y, and here it is x is equal to 2x. And if we cut x from both sides, it becomes 1 is equal to 2. So it is proved. So can you know what is the mistake? Where is the mistake? At which line is I have made the mistake? If you know, then please write in the comment section that at this line I have made the mistake. Instead of this, we should do this. Okay. So please comment. And if you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much and take care. Bye bye.